Have you ever come across a term or concept and wondered, what does that really mean? Today, let's dive into the meaning of a crucial term and ensure we all have a clear understanding. According to a study by the Oxford English Dictionary, the term sustainability is defined as the ability to be maintained at a certain rate or level. In the context of environmental and social issues, sustainability refers to the practice of meeting our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. A 2020 report by the United Nations found that sustainable practices can lead to a 45% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. Understanding the true meaning of key terms like sustainability is crucial as we navigate complex global challenges. Let's continue to explore and clarify important concepts together.